Hi guys, this is Dimo from Dimo Lingo. How are you guys? Everything is okay? Everything is under control? In this playlist and in this page, we are going to learn German from scratch, from alphabet to C1. So stay with us and like our videos, write some things in the comment and subscribe us to give us energy to do our job in the best way. So we are going to start from alphabet and learn how to pronounce German words and how to read German text and letters easily, as easy as pie. You know that's so easy. I'm going to teach it in the easiest ways. Okay. So first of all, the alphabet, that's exactly, they have these letters like English alphabet, but a little bit the pronunciation is different, guys. So look at here, that is A. Let me pronounce it. A, B, C, this is C, D, E, F, G, that is G, G, H, I, J, J, that is not J, guys, that is J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, that is V, not V, okay? V, W, X, Y, and Z. That is T together, Z. We say hats, this is T, Z. Okay, let me pronounce them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. That's like English, M and O, but that's P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and finally Z. So guys, actually in German language, okay, in German alphabet, we have 4 more letters. We call them umlaut. Umlaut, yeah? So they have 2 dots at the top of them. They are a little bit strange. This, in Turkish language, we have some of them, and also in French, I'm not sure about that. But in German language, we call them umlaut. A umlaut, that is A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. And there is one more letter that's like beta, beta in Greek, yeah. We call it SZ, yeah. So we write it like that. Let me write it here. We call it, so let me type it here, my German. SZ is the pronunciation of this word, or we call it scharfes S, okay? SZ or scharfes S. Scharfes S. So it has 2 names, SZ or scharfes S, okay? It means it is 2 S, double S together. So we are going to talk about that, so stay with us and we are going to see what's that. So guys, in German languages, in German language, not languages, we are going to see, there are some rules actually. These rules will help you to pronounce the words easily. That's not like English languages. For example, if a person wants to learn English, he or she has some difficulties with the pronunciation because he or she cannot find special rules. But in German, yeah, there are some special rules. You should memorize or learn it, and then you can easily pronounce the words and you can easily read it. And then it doesn't need any special accent actually, okay? So this letter in the alphabet, we called it V. It sounds always F, huh? So that is Vater, yeah? Look at here, let me make it bigger. That is Vater, okay? Vater. So when a word ends with ER, huh? We are going to pronounce a German, ER. So we call it A, Vater. Okay, Vater is also correct, but it's better to pronounce it Vater. Okay, so vergessen. So this letter, in English you say J, G, but in German we call it G, G. It always sounds G. Vergessen, vergessen, gessen. That's fe, okay? This letter, in English you say J, but in German we call it J. J is always a ye. We pronounce it ye. So that is so simple. Ja, ja. Ja means yes. Ja means yes. Okay, so we'll learn a new word. Ja, it means yes. Or this one, jaar, jaar. So try to pronounce r always, most of the times r, r. So jaar, okay? And we do not pronounce this ha here, h. We are going to see why, when we should pronounce it and when we shouldn't pronounce it. But generally you shouldn't pronounce it. So that is jaar, jaar. And this letter g is always g, okay? G. So genug, genug, yeah, this word. So actually in English language we have 5 letters. We call it vowel sounds. In German also we have, yeah, these 5 letters, actually a, e, I, o, and u, okay? These 5 letters are also vowels in German languages, and they're very important in this language because we should use them when we want to pronounce it. We really need them. So when 2 vowels together join together, we call them diphthongs, guys. Diphthongs, okay? So they make a new sounds. Let's see the examples. Always, they are always 100%. And I, e. So always and in German is und, okay? Und. So I will say und, okay? Und I, yeah, is always I. So that is by, by, or mine, mine. So that is dein. So easy. Einfach means easy. So einfach. The next, a plus I, a und I, oder plus means plus, like English, plus. So u is always u in German language. There's no a. Sometimes you know, always u. So a plus I is also I. Okay. So look at here, my, or hi. Hi means shark. My means may. E plus u always sounds oi. So neun. So neun. Or doi. Deut, heut. Okay, heut. That is the rule. You should, when you try and practice more and more, you will learn it easily. It doesn't need to I don't know, to annoy yourself. After reading 3 or 4 texts, it would be better and better. The next diphthongs, a plus u, is ow. Ow. Look at here. Excuse me. I plus e. Guys, e plus I is I, but I plus e is I. Lieben. That is lang I. Lieben. So do not confuse them. That is I and that is I. Lieben. Dienen. Lieben. Dienen. A plus u is ow. That is bauer. So I told you that er at the end of the word goes up. Bauer. And the next word is mauer. A umlaut plus u is oi. Exactly like this one, eu. So that is Bäume. Or Räume. Okay, so easy. The next part is when we have S before vowels, okay? Before, in German we have Vokale. Before vowels, S will sound z, yeah? So here I write z. So look at here, za. So this one is ge always. Sagen. The next word, semester. Er goes up. Semester. semester. That is always a. This one is singen. Singen. This is g. Singen. Sommer. Sommer. Sommer means summer. Singen means sing, to sing. Yeah. Semester, semester. Suppe. The next word, Suppe. Suppe. Oh, easy. So easy. The next word, or the next compounds, letters actually, we can call them, is in German you can find too many sh sounds, yeah? SCH also sounds sh. Look at here, Schule, Schule. But CHS, look at here, do not confuse them, they're a little bit different, yeah? Will sound X or X, yeah? Fuchs, Fuchs. Fuchs means fox, yeah? Fuchs. Or se before e sounds z, Sechs, sechs, sechs. Wow. CH together einfach or simple means she, chef, chef. That is chef. Okay, easy. The next part, TSCH together, TSCH together, pronounce ch, yeah? So we pronounce it Deutsch. EU pronounce oi, yeah? We have learned it. So TSCH together, ch, Deutsch, Deutschland, Deutschland. And DSCH pronounce j, Jungle, Jungle. Oh, easy. Okay? If you have any question, actually that I really appreciate that. You know that would be my honor to answer your question if I know, if my knowledge led me. So please write in the comments your questions, and certainly I will answer them. Okay. So if you remember, we have 5 vowel sounds. If 2 of them, I mean that I and E comes before CH, they have he. This is not, that is vikshe, yeah? He. We pronounce it like that. He. So ich, because we have I before CH, yeah? Or echt. Okay? But if the rest of them, I mean that A, U, and O, they come before CH, they will sound like here, Bach, A-C-H, Bach, Buch, yeah? So, noch, yeah? Noch. We don't like this one, it's not important. The last part, you know that, when we have S or P before T, S or P before T, so you should pronounce it sh, yeah, like Sport, yeah, or Stopp. When a word starts with them, actually, not in the middle, I mean that when in the middle is okay, but on a condition that a word start with that, okay? So the next are so easy. Seka, pronounced like always ka, like eke. PH, fe, alphabet, or phonetisch. Pfe together, pferd, yeah, pferd. TH together, theater. Excuse me, Q and U together, Quelle, or Quadratmeter. There's an exception here, Quarantäne, okay, that's an exception, Quarantäne, okay, or Qualität, or Quiz. So when we have ig at the end of the word, you can pronounce it ich or ich, okay, Vikshe. So fertig, also fertig is also correct, yeah, fertig, or 20, Z, I told you, hats, yeah, we need this, or eckig, both of them are correct. And these are the some words for exercising the Z, yeah? Zahn, When we have ha after vowel sounds, we shouldn't pronounce it. But when we have again another vowel after that, we should pronounce it. So Zahn, Zähne, ha doesn't pronounce, Zähn, or zwei. A-Umlaut, okay, A-Umlaut is always E, that is Äpfel, Äpfel. And I told you at the beginning of our lesson that this one is SZ or scharfes S. It means that two S, double S, yeah, like muss or muss, yeah. Both of them are. Why did I write like that? Muss, yeah. Heißen or heißen, both of them are correct. And the next one is tion, but nearly, you know, that up there, if you see that the word says that is incorrect and says that write it in this way, but actually it means that I wanted to show you how does it look, what does it mean. It actually, it pronounces S. This one in English we say Station, but in German we have Station, so we pronounce it Sion. Station, yeah, Station. And when a word ends with D, you can pronounce this dit, fremd. And a word ends with B, you can pronounce it P, lop. And G, you can pronounce it K, yeah, genug. So easy. So today our lesson is finished. Next session we are going to learn some basic communications, like how are you, what's your name, and we are going to start that. So stay with us, follow our channel, subscribe it, and introduce us to your friends. Give us positive energy. If you have any comments or question, honorably I would answer it. See you guys, bye bye, take care of yourself, till next session.